Hello guys, I'm Umesh Patil, and it's been a while since I put my last video, and I really want to thank you all guys for sticking with my channel. So I hope you all are safe, all are at home and taking all the major precautions in this pandemic. I wish you all the best. So, so today we are going to unbox the Apple's latest and greatest, that is iPhone SE 2020. So before we start, I know you all are ordering something or the other from the e-commerce giants, that is Amazon, Flipkart, etc. So I have ordered this iPhone SE from Flipkart, and I'm going to unbox it. But before I'm going to do that, let's take all the precautions. So I'm first using hand sanitizer to clean my hands. Then I'm using this sanitizer spray, and I will spray it on the box. Please take care while doing so, or you will ruin this sticker. And if you are going to return it, it will be a major problem. So please take care while spraying that on this sticker. So let's open it up and see what we have got inside the box. So let's start with the unboxing, and I would also like to tell you that I have this iPhone 8, and we'll compare the iPhone SE 2020 with iPhone 8, what similarities it has, and later on we will compare neck to neck both the devices. So let's start with the unboxing. So let's open it up and see. So this is the box from Flipkart. It was the delivery was a bit delayed because it was misrouted. Let's open it up and see what we have got. So we'll keep this aside in case we want to return it. So there is this pretty phone. Keep it here. Let's apply the sanitizer to this box as well. Flipkart may have taken all the precautionary measures, but still, it's good to be careful, right? So let's open this up by putting this. It's always a great pleasure opening an Apple product. The experience is really good. So I'll take this. You also take these measures, like I am sanitizing my hands. You also keep washing your hands. So here we have got the documentation. Welcome to iPhone, and Apple stickers. It's always great to have these stickers. Those are wonderful. I will put this aside. Wow, phone really feels good. Okay, let's keep that aside as well. Let's check. So there is no anything written on the back of the device. Yeah. So as you can see, there is nothing written over here or anywhere on the phone. It's just plain, and there is an Apple logo. So let's keep this aside. What else we have got is the brick, the charger adapter, and of course the lightning earphones. These are great great sounding earphones, but the problem with this is it does not isolate anything of the outer world. So we have to increase the volume a lot. So better to go and use these noise cancelling headphones along with it. So keep it aside as well. And we've got the lightning to USB Type A cable. So this is all we have got inside the package, and let's take a look at the phone. Let's put it up. So it is put it up. It is greeting me. So I will do one thing. I'll set it up. I'll set it up as exactly similar as this by installing exactly same application as this one, and we will then test both the device neck to neck to see whether you really need to go with iPhone SE, or if you have iPhone 8, or you could stay with iPhone 8 little while longer. And before doing that, let's see what the difference between both on outside. So as you can see, only the Apple logo has situated to into the middle, and all the text that is written over here, it's not the case with the iPhone SE. It's just plain black brick, and yeah, camera and everything, the design, everything is similar. So if you have iPhone 8 cases, so those cases are going to work on your iPhone SE as well. So both phones are basically the same. In fact, this is iPhone 8 case that has been used for iPhone SE. So let's keep this aside. And okay, I'll put it up, I'll set it up, and then we will see how it works in actual review, and whether you really need to buy this, or if you already have an iPhone 8. But I'll tell you one thing: if you are planning to buy a new iPhone SE, so over the iPhone 8, if you don't have any iPhone, so and you are confused between iPhone 8 and iPhone SE, so better go with iPhone SE, because the Apple's Bionic 13 chipset it has, it is most powerful processor, and it is latest by the Apple. So better to go, and the price difference is not much. So better to go with iPhone SE. Thank you for watching, guys. Please do subscribe to the channel, and please do take care of yourself and your family members. Do not go outside unless it is absolutely necessary, and do keep washing your hands every 20 minutes. So thank you for watching, and all the best.